Hey, Edgar's in Funneltopia here, and I wanted to quickly let you know about this new feature under emails, and it's called, I guess the name was like email verification, or essentially what happens is now that when you want to send an email, it needs to go through the sender email needs to be a verified email address, right? So this is what it kind of looks like. So I'm in under emails campaigns. Let's just say I want to, write my email. I want to send it out, right? So this is my perfect email that I want to send. And here you can see the sender email. There's nothing to pick from. So let's do, I don't know, Edgar's at funneltopia.io, right? And it shows that it is not verified. So what that means is that I am using an email address that is not already labeled as a dedicated domain in the settings. So this is kind of like a different domain, right? Not one of my custom domains. And I need to verify it. And the main goal of it is to basically just to kind of protect you to avoid people sending emails with this email address from just any account, right, without your consent. And also, people will use email addresses that aren't real, which often drives up the spam scores. So this is a good thing that you need to kind of verify it, and it's actually an incredibly simple process. It's just like a couple of steps, and yeah, and that's basically the fix, just to kind of make sure that also your deliverability rates go up and your spam complaints going down, and essentially just overall better email marketing performance. And I should talk less, I should show you how to do it. So once I type it in, obviously it says that it's not a verified email. So what you do now is you press verify now, and verification email has been sent to my inbox. So essentially what happened, I received a six-digit code. I'm going to go check my email inbox and we'll come back in a second. I received the code within like a couple of seconds. So I just copy pasted it over here. And obviously if you don't receive it within like a minute, just resend it. But yeah, I received it like within seconds. So paste it in, verify, and now it is all good. So this is kind of like a just a two-factor or double opt-in, whatever you want to call it, right? It's that simple. Now it's all verified, and now Funneltopia knows that it's my email address, right? I verified it, and then you can do all the sender name, all that stuff, right? You can type it all in. So essentially, yeah, just like I said before, the main goal of all of this is to improve email deliverability. For everything to be legitimate, and it's a really simple fix. So this is one. This is like when you stumble upon it when you're sending an email, right? But you can do it without sending an email or getting that far. You can also go to emails, campaigns, over here, email settings. And I think it was here, yeah, verified sender emails, right? So it shows up right here. You can just verify an email. You can just add a new one over here, right? Type in an email, do the whole code thing. So you can just, whichever emails need to be in there, sender emails, add them in. So this, you can do it right now. You don't have to like wait till you're sending the next email to your mailing list. So yeah, those are the two ways of doing this. And yeah, pretty short and sweet. This is like a two-step process essentially. But if you still have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, 24/7 chat support, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. Also, there's a schedule a VIP call option for VIP clients if you have more than a couple of questions. But if you have no questions, then I will see you in the next video. Bye.